Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a camshaft position sensor on a Dodge Charger. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is cool. You'll need to locate the sensor, which is typically found near the cylinder head. Before starting any work, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues. Gather your tools, including a new sensor, a ratchet, and appropriate sockets, often a 10mm or 13mm size. Next, you might need to remove components like the air filter housing or intake manifold to gain clear access to the camshaft position sensor, depending on your Charger's engine. Once visible, carefully unplug the electrical connector from the sensor. Many connectors have a red locking tab that needs to be pushed or pulled before pressing the release tab. Then, use your socket wrench to remove the retaining bolt, often a 10mm or 13mm bolt. Gently twist and pull the old sensor out. Before installing the new sensor, apply a small amount of clean engine oil to its O-ring. This lubrication helps the sensor slide into place smoothly and ensures a proper seal, preventing oil leaks. Carefully insert the new camshaft position sensor into the opening, making sure it is fully seated. Reinstall the retaining bolt and tighten it to the manufacturer's recommended torque specification, which is often around 88 inch-pounds. With the new sensor in place, securely reconnect its electrical connector, ensuring any locking tabs click into position. Reinstall any parts you removed for access, such as the air filter housing or intake manifold. Finally, reconnect the negative battery cable. Start your Dodge Charger and use an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner to clear any stored diagnostic trouble codes. Take the vehicle for a short test drive to confirm the repair was successful and the engine runs smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.